Hi everyone, welcome to Detangle. In this video, we'll do this question. We have a sphere of radius r and charge is distributed in this, and the charge density is given by this expression a by r square e raised to minus 2r by a. Here the capital A and small letter a are constants, and we can see that the density is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. That is, the charge density is varying with the square of the distance, and given that q is the total charge present in this, then what is r from these options? As you can see, the complication in this question is this one, that is, the charge density is varying with respect to r square, and also it is exponentially decreasing with the increasing r. This is as opposed to consider a sphere having uniform charge density. So in that case, say suppose if I take this portion, or if I take this portion, or if I take any portion at anywhere on the sphere, the charge density will be constant. That is, the charge density will be given as whatever the total charge present in the sphere divided by the total volume. So in that case, you will be easily able to find the total charge, that is the charge density times volume. But in this case, we won't be able to do it like this. Why? Because the charge density is not constant and it varies across the distance, so this will be wrong. Now here in this, as you can see, the density is decreasing with respect to square of the distance. Also exponentially it is decreasing as the distance increases, which means that the charges are highly concentrated here at the smaller values of r, but as the r increases, what happens is the charges get reduced. So something like this. So that's how the charge density varies, highly concentrated here, and here the concentration becomes lesser and lesser. Now to do this, to find the total charge, we can take the help of integration. That is, say suppose I consider sphere like this of having some radius r, and let the sphere be extended to a thickness like this, a small thickness of dr, and let the charges present in this be dq, and let the volume of this be dv. Now can I tell the charges present on this sphere, that is dq, inside this sphere of volume dv is the density, the varying density times the volume, this small volume. Also now this volume, I can write it as volume is area into thickness. So the area of this sphere will be 4 pi r square, and also the thickness is dr. Or else you can find this equation with the help of volume equation also. We know volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if you differentiate throughout, you will be getting dv by dr, changes in volume per radius is 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. So you will be getting dv is equal to, this will be 4 pi r square into dr. So that's how you get this expression. Now here, this is the charges which are present on this small sphere which I assumed. I need to figure out what is the total number of charges. So what I have to do is I have to integrate all of these. So I have to integrate this expression. So I'll be getting the total charge is equal to, and I have to integrate this from 0 to r, since here dr is the varying quantity, the radius, radius of the sphere we are taking in variation, so it should vary, or it should be integrated from 0 to r, that is the full radius of the sphere. So this is going to be 0 to r, rho r. I'm going to substitute the values, the expression, that is a by r square into e raised to minus 2r by a into 4 pi r square dr. So here r square cancels, 4 pi a I can take it out, those are constants. So q is equal to 4 pi a, and integration of this will be e raised to minus 2r by a divided by this minus 2 by a. So that minus 2 by a will be in the denominator. So when I bring it up, this is going to be a by minus 2. and I have to substitute the limits from 0 to r. Now simplifying this further, I am going to get, so this here 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so q will be equal to minus 2 pi a, and if I substitute the limits, I am going to get e raised to minus 2r by a minus 1. E raised to 0 will be 1. So, or if I want, I can write this as 2 pi a, this minus multiplied inside 1 minus e raised to minus 2r by a. Sorry, I've missed out an a here. So there's an a, small letter a over here. So here in question they have asked r to be expressed in terms of q, but we are getting q in terms of r. So I just have to rearrange everything. So dividing this by this and also writing this is equal to in terms of this one q. So I'll be getting e raised to minus 2r by a is equal to 1 minus q by this whole term, that is 2 pi a, and taking ln on both sides. So I'll be getting this as minus 2r by a, ln e is 1, and this will be ln 1 minus q by 2 pi a, and so r will be, so this going that side, so this will be minus a by 2 ln 1 minus q by 2 pi a, and from the options, so yeah, so I'm getting this answer here, that is I just have to take this minus inside, so this will become r is equal to a by 2 ln 1 by 1 minus q by 2 pi a. So the correct option is